Namaste to all. Again I am here with class 8 half yearly question paper of mathematics for revision purpose and for checking purpose. Now you can see that total 80 marks questions and 18 MCQ type question to assertion region. Question number, now we want to discuss the question paper. Question first, how many non-square numbers lie between 90 square and 91 square? Then their formula is number of non-square number between n square and n plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into n. So we should write 2 into 90 equal to 180. So right option is C. Question second, the selling price of a book is thrice the cost price. What is the gain percent? Here that the selling price is thrice the cost price means if we let the cost price 100, then selling price will be 300 and gain will be 300 minus 100, 200, and gain percent will be 200 by 1 into 100, it means 200%. So right option is C. Question third, find the value of root cube root minus 686 by 2662. By factorization 1 2 will be cancelled and it will be minus 7 cube and 11 cube. So we can write the cube root that minus 7 by 11. So right option is B. Question 4, y square minus 2y minus 15. We should split the minus 2. For minus 2 we can write minus 5 plus 3. Either we can write 5 minus 3, then we will take the minus sign out of the bracket. If we apply the identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, then we can write x plus a into x plus b. So here y plus 3 into y minus 5. So right option is D. Question number 5, x vary inversely as y and y 60, then x 15. Find x when y equal to 45. Question are saying that inversely proportion, so we should write that x into y equal to k constant. So 15 into 60 equal to x into 45. By cancellation you can get x equals to 20. So right option is B. Question 6, write the degree of polynomial that. So maximum power of variable is here 5, so degree will be 5. Question number 7, angle 3 first will be 82 degree by corresponding angle. Now we can write 2 plus 3 equal to 180 by linear pair. Either in other way also, if we find that, then the value of angle 2 will be 98 degrees. So right option is C. Question 8, an unwedged die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a composite number. Composite number is 4 and 6, so total 2 favorable outcome. So probability will be 2 by 6, it means 1 by 3. So right option is B, 1 by 3. Question number 9, height of 10 saplings in a nursery is noted given below and given to find the range. Range equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation is 124, lowest observation is 79, so their difference is 45. Right option is A, 45. Question 10, evaluate 98 whole square. 98 whole square, it will be 9604 by applying A minus B whole square, either any way. That is not in that option, so right option is none of these. Question 11, difference between the square of two consecutive natural number is equal to their sum. By applying this formula, either if we apply that a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b, then we will also got the sum. So right option is B. Question number 12, minus 1 by 3 whole cube equal to minus 1 cube minus 1, 3 cube 27, so it will be minus 1 by 27. Right option is C. Question 30, if two quantities x and y vary inversely with each other, then x into y remains always constant, because x upon y remain always constant for direct variation. Question 14, discount is always calculated on mark price, so right option is B. Question 14, value of p for which that divisible by x minus 2. Here we have applied by remainder theorem, but you can, if you divide by x minus 2, you will got the remainder p plus 10. If remainder will be 0, then x minus 2 will be factor. So p plus 10 equal to 0, it means p equal to minus 10. So right option will be B. Question 16. A transversal intersect two lines. Which condition would always make the two lines parallel? Right option is C. Here alternate interior angles are equal, because other vertical opposite angle not satisfy that. Here interior angle on the same side of transversal should be supplementary, then it will be here given only complementary, and corresponding angle should be equal, not the supplementary. Question 17. Representing data graphically in the form of rectangle with no gap between the successive rectangles is called histogram. It is the define of histogram. Question 18. Total possible outcome if the coins is tossed twice. It means 4. Head, head, tail, tail, either head, tail, either tail and head. Total 4 total outcome. Here question number 19. 120 copies of a book cost 600. So one copy cost 5 rupees. 400 copy cost 2000. But here given 24,000. Either by direct and inverse, if you apply that 600 by 125, 2400 by 400 and 406, it is also not equal, so that statement assertion is wrong. Reason: a direct proportion shows the direct relation between two quantities. It is right, because it shows that. So right option is D of 19. Question 20. X square minus 1 into x square plus 1. So a square minus b square, x to the power 4 and minus 1 to the power 4 means 1. So it is right assertion. Reason: the identity, third identity apply a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So the right option is A, both assertion and reason is correct, and reason is the correct explanation. Question number 21. Here given the different items and their mark price and GST rate, and on all items the given the mall owner allowed a discount of 20%. A lot of a few students also mistakes in that question. Without finding the selling price, they have added the GST, so that is the wrong. Here mark price, GST added at the transaction price, the price at which anything is sold out, either purchased. Here mark price for gift pack is 5,000, discount is 20%. So if we find the first selling price, it will be 4,000, and GST will be added on 4,000. So 4,000 plus 5% of 4,000 will be 4,200. So right option is A. Question second. Same way for 25,000 family clothes, if find the selling price, it will be 20,000, and on GST 12%, it will be 12% of 5,000 of 20,000, it will be 22,400. Right option is B. Question third. Also selling price of shoes including GST. So first we should find the selling price of shoes by applying the formula of selling price MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. It will be 4,000 and GST 18% on that. 18% of 4,000 will be 720, and their sum will be 4,720. Question number third. Same way, question number odd of third. Find the selling price of a smartwatch. We will find the 10,000 and their selling price will be 8,000, and 28% on the 8,000 means 10,240 rupees total selling price with GST. Question 22. Here the pie charts given. According to pie chart, you should give the answer. Question first. Ask number of students coming the school by bicycle. Bicycle given 55%, means 55% of total student, that is 1600. 55% of 1600 means 880. So right option is B. Question second. Total number of students coming to the school by bus and car. Here two methods for finding the separately number of students coming from bus, either coming from car, and we should add either directly 12% of bus, 13% of car, total 25%. 25% of 1600 if we find, then it will also the answer 400. So right option is A, 400. Question third, number of students who do not come to a school by walking. By walking 20%. So percentage of students who do not come by walking means 80%. We should find out the 80% of 1600. It will be 1280. Either by finding the 20% of 1600 we can subtract from 1600. Or question of third, find the ratio of number of students using mode of transport as bus or walking. Bus 12%, so 12 by 100 into 1600, and walking 20%, 20 by 100 into 1600. So in ratio 3:5. So answer will be 3:5. Question 23. On the occasion of 15th August, the school decided to distribute sweets among students. The expression given, and sweets for t square minus 3 students distributed. So question first ask degree of polynomial. Highest power of the polynomial is 4, so right option is A. Question second, coefficient of t in the polynomial. First here that t square minus 3, no any term of t. So we can explain it t square plus 0 into t minus 3. So here the coefficient of t is option C, 0. A few students have wrong in that questions. Question third, what amount of sweet did each student get? We should divide the given polynomial by the t square minus 3. Coefficient will be 2t square plus 3t plus 4. So that amount, what amount of sweet did each student get? Each student get 2t square plus 3t plus 4. Or question of third, find the sum of polynomial that and that. If we add the polynomial and t square minus 3, we will get 2t square plus 3t cube minus t square minus t minus 15. Only we should add both of them. Question 24, evaluate. Cube of 216 is 6, cube of 27 is 3, a square root of 36 is 6, a square root of 81 is 9. By cancellation we will get 3, and then last minus 1 given, so 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Or question of 24, write the Pythagorean triplet in which a smallest number is 10. So formula is given 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. 2m equal to 10, m equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. m square minus 1 will be 5 square minus 1 equal to 24, and 5 square plus 1 equal to 26. So required Pythagorean triplet is 10, 24 and 26. Question number 26. Question number 25. Using factor method, divide the polynomial a square plus 14a plus 48 by a plus 8. We should factorize a square plus 14a plus 48. By factorization we will get a plus 8 and a plus into a plus 6. A plus 8 will be cancelled, left a plus 6, that will be the answer. Question 26. Factorize x to the power 4 minus 81. First x to the power 4 can be written x squared to the whole power 2, and 81 can be written 9 squared. So first step, x square plus 1, x square plus 9 into x square minus 9. Again x square 9 will be factorize x plus 3 into x minus 3. So right answer will be x square plus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. Question 27. Two angles given but no any relation between them. So first we should take these types by corresponding angle 2x plus 50, angle B, and now we should add angle A plus B equal to 180 by co-interior angle. Then their sum will be 180. So by cancellation we can get x equal to 20 degree. So answer is x equal to 20 degree. Question 28. Getting the constant, probability of getting the constant. 5 over 21 constant. So the probability will be 21 by 26, and probability of getting vowel is 5 by 26. Question 29. Find the least number which must be subtracted from that to obtain a perfect square. First we should find out the square root, their square root. If we find, remainder will be 12. So we should subtract the required number, we should be subtracted equal to 12. and a square root. If 12 subtracted from 7581, then their square root will be 87. So required number 12 and the square root of that number 87. Question number 30. A train 270 meter long is running 80 km per hour, and how much time it will take to cross a platform 130 meter long. Now here you can see that a speed of train 80 km per hour. First we should convert it into meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18. Either you can take the 1000 by 3600. It will be 200 by 9 meter per second, and total distance, length of train 270 meter and length of platform 130, total 400 meter. Now we apply the direct and inverse variation method. Distance 200 by 9 meter in 1 second, so 400 meter in x second we should let. It is the direct variation. So x by y equal to k. In this way we will find the value of x. It will be 18 seconds. So right answer is 18 seconds. Question number 31. One question more also for 30. In camp, the provision is given for 120 students for 30 days. If 5 more students join the camp, how many days will provision will last? In that 120 students, now left fooding is only for 25 days, because 5 days already consumed. Fooding of 5 days will already that consumed. Now total student 125 for their x days. It will the provision. It is the case of inverse variation, means x into y. So 120 into 25 equal to 125 into x. The value of x is 24 days. So right answer is 24 days. Now question 31. A square plus b square plus c square given 64. A plus b plus c given 12. Find the value of a b plus bc plus ca. Here we will apply the fourth identity, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and their 12 square 144. If we put the value for a square plus b square plus c square is 64. If we send 64 in RHS, it will be 80. 144 minus 64. We will take 2 common from 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It will be 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. If we send 2 into RHS, it will be 80 by 2, 40. So ab plus bc plus ca equal to 40, right answer. Or question for 31 also. If 7x minus 4y equal to given 9, we should first take the square on both sides. A squared. Here the two methods we have used. First, a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. In this method, we can directly find out the value 417. In second way, first we should square both sides. In this way, we will find the a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square 49x square, b square 16y square, and minus 2ab means minus 56xy. And we will put the value of xy is 3. And if we send them into RHS, it will be 81 plus 168. Their sum will be 249. Again, we should find out the value of 7x plus 4y whole square. We will put the value 249 plus 56 into value of xy 3, and the total value is 417. In this way, we can also find out the 417. It is the 31. Now 32 question. The mark price of double bed is given 9,575. A shopkeeper allow a discount of 12% and still gain 10%. Find the cost price of double bed. Here the mark price given, discount given, gain. So first we should find out the selling price. For finding the selling price, MP given, discount 12%, SP equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. By applying this formula, you can find out either. First you should find out the discount 12% of 9,575, and after that should be subtract from 9,575. Answer will be 8,426 rupees is the SP. Now question asks find the CP. Gain is given 10%. The formula of CP is SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. 8,426 into 100 by 100 plus 10. by simplify that we can get 7,660 rupees. That is the answer. Now question 33. There are 25 chalks, in that 8 yellow, 11 blue and rest means 6 are white. The probability of yellow chalk total 8, favorable outcome 8 by total outcome 25. 8 by 25. Probability of getting the blue chalk is 11 by 25 and probability of getting white chalk is 6 by 25, because white chalk is 6, 25 minus 8 plus 11. Odd question of 33. A card drawn at random from 52 total cards. A king. Total king is 4. 1 in a spade, 1 in club, 1 in diamond, 1 in heart. So 4 by 52, 1 by 13. Second, probability of queen of heart, only 1 queen in heart, so 1 by 52. Black jack. Total 2 black jack and 2 red jack. So probability of a black jack 2 by 52 means 1 by 26. Question 34. Prove that if a number is triple, then its cube is 27 times. For that we should let the one number is x and their cube is x cube. When it tripled means 3x, their cube is 27x cube. Now we should show is 27x cube is the 27 into the cube of original number. It is only, you can take by taking let the one either other number also. Question 35. A general wishing to draw of his 64,019 men in the form of a square found that he had 10 men extra. Find the number of men in front row. Front row, it means number of rows, we should find out the square root, but 10 men extra, so first we should subtract 10 from 64,019. If we subtract 10, it will be 64,009. And if we find the square root of that number, it will be 253. A square root you can find the any way, by prime factorization method, either by long division method. Question 36. Polynomial given 9x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7. It should be divided by 3x minus 1 and also verify that. Here you can see that division. First we apply by 3x square and left 9x cube minus 3x square, 6 square minus 5x plus 7, because in subtraction we should change the sign. Again we should apply by 2x and at last we should apply minus 1 and the remainder is 6. Again we check and it is verified. Dividend equal to 9x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7. So it is verified. Second question, odd of also 36. Question given odd of 36. Divide the polynomial by 1 plus 4x and sum of quotient remainder. First we should arrange the polynomial and also the divisor. Divisor will be 4x plus 1, and if we arrange the polynomial it will be 8x cube minus 6x square plus 22x plus 15. If we divide, here remainder will be 9 and quotient will be 2x square minus 2x plus 6. If we add them, it will be 2x square minus 2x plus 6 plus 9, 15. So that it will be answer. Question 37. In the adjacent figure show that AB parallel CD. You can see in the figure angle ABC equal to BCD. Both will be 40 degree. It means AB parallel CD by the converge of alternate interior angle. For second question, you can see that FEC and ECD 160 plus 20 degree 180. It means showing that co-interior angle. So it will be the EF parallel CD by applying the converge of co-interior angle. And by using 1 and 2, we can say that AB parallel also EF. Why? Because AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF. So AB parallel EF. In this way you can prove that. Question 38. X plus 1 by x equal to 6 given. First we should square on both sides. It will be a square means x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into a into b equal to 6 square 36. Here that if we send 2 into RHS, so x square plus 1 by x square equal to 36 minus 2 equal to 34. So answer will be 34. Question second, we need to find out the x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Here the two method. If the again a square of the what you have got in question number 1, a square again x square plus 1 by x whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab and 34 square 1156. In LHS you will get x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. 2ab 2 you should send into RHS, x square plus x square into 1 by x square will be cancelled. Then you will get 1154, that will be the answer for second. One more or question of 38. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 27. Two methods are given. First, the given x plus 1 by x you need to find. First we will take the square of them. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab, ab will be cancelled. Here left x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Here the x square plus 1 by x square given value 27. Here the 27 plus 2 29. But we need to find out only x plus 1 by x. If we send a square into RHS, it will be a square root. So answer will be x plus 1 by x equal to under root 29. That is the answer. Second question, x minus 1 by x. We should square of x minus 1 by x. A square plus b square minus 2ab means x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab will be cancelled. If we put the value of x square plus 1 by x square 27 minus 2 means 25. If we square send into RHS, it will be a square root of 25, that will be the 5. In this way you can find out the solution is 5. So x minus 1 by x equal to 5. In this way we have solved and discussed the question in short videos. By the long process we need to minimum 1 hour for that question paper describe. But you can again see that objective questions. In this way we have written on the question paper the right answer, and also we have solved the short type question and long type question. Next exam you can revise by this question paper and also enhance the marks. One instruction for every type of a student that read the question paper 2 times. It gives the clear concept, and case-based study questions also you should read carefully and give the answer. In question number 21, a lots of mistake. Direct student find out the mark price plus GST rate is the price. You should think about that. GST we are adding on mark price, how it is possible? GST will be added on the transaction value, and mark price after that discount given, that is already mentioned in the question 20%. So first we should find out the selling price, after that we should add the GST. In this way 22 number question is very easy, and 23 is also the polynomials questions you can solve easily. Probability question also not much difficult. Here the solution of question number 30, 31 and 32. You can see that OR of 31, second way of 31. Next question, long type question of 5 marks, question number 35 to 38. Also you can see that one question from a square and a square root, one question from polynomial, one question from parallel lines, and one question from algebraic identity. Last question 38. So you should have command about on the chapter polynomial and algebraic identity. Now at last, thank you. Okay, you should check and verify. Other methods is also we can use it for 38, and but answer will be same. If you apply any one other method, but answer will be same is that. Okay, now you can revise. Thank you.